Ingredients are, I have got these long sheets which is necessary to make Irani samosas. Then there's 2 boiled potatoes which I have crushed, and half katori of peas, little hing, little amchur, chili powder as per your spicy taste, salt as per your taste, little haldi and dhania powder. I always add hing in everything what I make because it is good for digestion. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add little jeera to this. Then add all the masalas so that it gets fried and stir it. Then add the ingredients. And just mash it. You can add any vegetables to this, carrots, cauliflower, cabbage, whatever. And you can make keema samosas also, chicken keema, if you are a non-vegetarian. Cover this and cook it for some time because peas are frozen. Hi, I will show you all how to fold it. First, do it this way, then do it this way, and this way, and then stick it with little atta, and I have put little water in it. And Irani samosas are ready. They are ready to fry. And keep it in the fridge. Whenever you all want, you all can fry only 2 at a time. I have made only 5 samosas because I need only so many. From 25 strips, I have made only 5 Irani samosas. Once the oil is hot, put 1 samosa in it and fry it on medium heat. Slowly turn it. Once it is brown from both the sides, remove it. I always remove on a tawa because it soaks oil.